In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Elementor on WordPress. If you've been looking to personalize your website or just give it a fresh look, changing the font can make a huge difference in enhancing the overall aesthetic and readability of your site. Let's dive into this process step by step so you can easily follow along. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by typing your website URL followed by wp-admin in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the control center for managing your site. From here, hover over the pages in the sidebar navigation and click on All Pages. This takes you to a list of the pages currently on your site. Next, find the specific page that you want to update and click Edit with Elementor. This button will take you directly to the Elementor editor, which is a visual interface that makes building pages a breeze, even if you don't have coding experience. Once the Elementor editor is open, identify the text element you wish to edit. Simply click on it to bring up the editing options in the left-hand panel. Now, this is where the magic happens. Go to the panel on the left, where you'll see 3 tabs at the top: Content, Style, and Advanced. Click on the Style tab. Here, you'll find the typography settings. Click on Typography to expand its options. In the typography section, you'll see several settings such as font family, size, weight, and more. Click on Family to explore the drop-down list of available fonts. Elementor offers a wide variety of fonts to choose from, so take your time to scroll through and find the perfect one for your site's design. As you select a font from the list, your text will update in real time, allowing you to see how it looks immediately. If you want to adjust the font size, locate the size slider just below the font family options. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the size, or you can manually enter a number to get the exact size you desire. It's a good idea to preview how your text appears across different devices by clicking on the responsive mode, ensuring it looks great on mobile, tablet, and desktop views. Once you're satisfied with how the font looks, remember to hit the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This will save all the changes you've made to your page. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to customize the font on your Elementor WordPress page, giving your site a unique and polished look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Until next time.